Latest on transfer news sanibona bafethu uvanelo amathimba amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na amathimba amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na so ngizoqala nje ngeindaba ezimangaze abaningi kule insuku lezi esiphuma kuzona kuthiwa nje iStellies sesiriche iagreement with iwinga leCape Town City iwinga leCape Town City elidlala le kuNFD kuthiwa umjida ngenzeka ashaya ama-medicals wakhe soon with iStellenbosch. iStellenbosch si-serious ngempela si-sign abadlali abayi-quality ngempela right now. But-ke kunento eyenziwe iStellies engididile kakhulu ngoba sivuke kuyindaba namhlanje kuthiwa iRichards Bay FC isisayine bani isisayine uSanele Barnes. uSanele Barnes remember-ke wayidlalela vele iRichards Bay FC before aye kwiStellies. But-ke kuthiwa iRichards Bay ihambile yayofuna umjida okumloan yathi iStellies cha ngesikwazi ukuthi simdedele on a loan unless nimthenga on a permanent transfer. Kuthiwa ke umjida uhambile wayojoina iRichards Bay right now ulibangisele eBay uyodlalela iRichards Bay. It's a very shocking move eyenziwe iStellies because for me I think uyena umjida uSanele Barnes was one of the promising players, was one of those players obenza kahle kwiStellies kule season so far. But-ke ya big star bayisayinile bafethu kubuya ngathi bese sebeyidayisela iRichards Bay benza into eriski kakhulu bazoshintsha i-team phakathi ne-season bahambise Leo De Jong bahambisa boMojela bahambise Olesibanku. Right now i-team ayinawo ama-star players but-ke I like the fact that balanda uMabasa, I like the fact that balanda abadlali abanje Shaquille April from iCape Town City. But-ke let's hope uHunt lama-decisions awathathayo azokwazi amsize asuke le ezansi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke bafethu ngisakuyona nje iCape Town City kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns isi-reactivateile i-interest yayo from i-striker okubani okuJody Ashin. Remember-ke uJody Ashin wayelinked with iMamelodi Sundowns ngosikhathi isizini isathanda kuqala. But-ke iCape Town City yabona ukuthi cha iMamelodi Sundowns ayikhiphi imali eyanele for lo mdlali lo, so badecide ukuthi cha anikwazi ukumthatha lo mdlali lo, ngcono nibuye kabusha nemali engcono. Kuthiwa iSundowns ke bafethu ibuyile with imali. Kuthiwa lo mjida lo akadlalanga kwimatch yokugcina yeCape Town City ngosathathe bedlala with ama-Tuks lapho khona bewina khona ngo-4-0 okuyiscore esikhulu. Umjida akabonakalanga oyi-striker sabo. Yabo it looks like iMamelodi Sundowns is-serious kakhulu ekumsayinini lo mjida lo. Ingabi iSundowns ngempela isasidinga esinye striker ngoba sikhona esinye striker basithengile le eSouth America angazi. But-ke it looks like they want to put more players up front, they want to sign more strikers. iMamelodi Sundowns babuke ngathi bona ngokwabo asikho i-striker enough for leya team leya. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu kuthiwa umdlali udlalela iStellies bafethu okubani okuThato Khiba umjida usejoyine iSikhukhune United. iSikhukhune United lo mjida samsayina from iTS Galaxy mukhumbula kahle ke. But-ke uThato Khiba it looks like aka-impressanga. Yabo aka-impressanga uKevin Hunt ucoach omusha uloke dedela nje abadlali abathayina obani uSteve Barker. uSteve Barker ke nje ubele kwiSimba SC abadlali bakho loke badedela nje uKevin Hunt. uKevin Hunt ufuna ukuzo-instilla ibhola lakhe with iStellies. Ingabe lizosebenza yina asazi. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iStellies sesayine istriker okubani okuWonderboy Makhubu. uWonderboy Makhubu bafethu bedlalela iSikhukhune United. But-ke uWonderboy wayedlalela iMagesi mukhumbula kahle uWonderboy wayeshisa kakhulu for iMagesi. But-ke wasayinwa iSikhukhune ke nasi-ke kahle iSikhukhune sesimlonile vele kwiMagesi. But-ke right now sebemdayisela iStellies. Angazi ngempela iStellies kwenzakalani kusona. I'm not saying umjida akasizona strikers right. Umjida uyi-strikers right. Yabo bayidinga i-striker lapha. Bakhona oCupido vele kodwa ke bakhona oMabasa. But-ke badinga esinye striker esizokwazi ukuthi sishintshisane nalawo badlali labo. Yabo. But-ke wona ungangitshela uzizwa kanjani kale indaba lezi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu iMarumo Gallants bafethu izo-announce umdlali omusha ojoyine on loan with an option to make it permanent. Lo mdlali lo ubedlalela iYoung Africans. Ubedlalela iYoung Africans, one of the largest teams edlala le eTanzania. Umjidi igama lakhe ubani uMohamed Doyumba wale Ivory Coast. Yabo iMarumo Gallants is-serious ngempela ekulandeni abadlali abaqhamuka le Ivory Coast. Angazi ngempela ikephi i-link between ucoach weMarumo Gallants with abadlali base-Ivory Coast. But-ke it looks like ubakhonzile kakhulu. Remember lo coach lo wale France. Yabo nje wale France nje it looks like abadlali abaningi abalanda base-Ivory Coast and bazodlalela yona le club le. There's something with iMarumo Gallants with bringing in abadlali abaqhamuka ngaphandle. Like they always go outside, they always go to Africa to scout for players yabo, which is something nice because asijwayele ukuyibona vele into kanje. iKaizer Chiefs eyenza lento le back in the days, but ke kuhle kakhulu sesibona amanye ama-countries, amanye ama-teams actually eyenza lento le. Kwezinye zey'ndaba bafethu eyiphumile bafethu, uLevi Mashiyane uzojoyina eMagesi FC. iMagesi FC umjida im-announcile izolo. uLevi Mashiyane is the new signing yeMagesi FC, enye yama-team le bafethu esishaya ama-signings amaningi so far. It looks like ama-team are serious ngempela, they want to survive iBetway Premiership.